In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set phone audio to mono or stereo in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I keep scrolling down through the list until I spot audio and visual. When I see it, I tap on audio and visual, and that takes me into the section where audio settings can be adjusted. Alright, now that I'm here on the audio and visual screen, I look for the option labelled mono audio. This is what controls whether sound plays in mono or stereo, so I tap the toggle to turn mono audio on if I want mono sound, and the change applies instantly. If I want to go back to stereo, I just tap that same toggle again to turn it off. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the settings stayed where I put it. There's nothing else I need to confirm or save, so I can stay here or leave whenever I'm ready. Now I back out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to adjust it again, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap audio and visual, and toggle mono audio on or off. Sometimes I'll toggle it a couple of times just to compare how each option sounds before settling on the one I prefer. It only takes a moment and it helps confirm that I'm comfortable with the audio setup. And that's all there is to it. Like, you've now seen how to switch between mono and stereo audio on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to come back and change whenever you